Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of modeling slope-intercept form. This is standard 8.5i in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 13 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got Rhonda's job. She drives a car. So she's paid the same salary each month, but then she gets a little bit extra based on the number of miles. So all we have is her total pay for July and August right here. And then obviously her miles are a little bit different. And so we need to find which of these equations can be used to find y, total amount she's paid, X miles. Well, this seems to me like we're going to be using the slope-intercept form here. Let me tell you why I'm thinking that. Because she's going to get paid, right? So that's her money right there, is that y. But there's two parts of her salary. First, it's just how much she gets paid every single month. That doesn't change. So I'm thinking that's the salary right here. That's my y-intercept. Doesn't change every month. What does change is her rate for what she drives per miles is going to be multiplied by her miles, and that's going to change the second part of her income. This rate, whatever this rate is per mile, because that's usually how we get reimbursed if we're driving around, is we get reimbursed per mile. But that changes. The rate stays the same, but the total changes simply because the miles change. So I need to figure out what the salary is and then what that rate is. But all I have is the total, right? But you know what? If these are the miles, then these are the totals right here, and those are the miles. I can use that to find the slope, right? So the slope is Rm, and that's going to be the change in y over the change in x. The rise over run. And they give me two y's, don't they? They give me 3601 minus 3502. And let me see. My x's are going to be 820 divided by 640. All right, and so that's going to give me 3601 minus 3502. That's 99. And then my 820 minus 640, that's going to give me 180. So my slope is going to be 99 over 180, but we need it in a decimal. So really that just equals 0.55. Okay, so 55 cents a mile. In real life, that's actually what most people get reimbursed for their mileage when they get jobs, about 55 cents a mile. All right, so now I know that this equation is going to be y equals 0.55 times the miles plus, I need that salary. Well, what I could do is I can actually take some of these y and x coordinates, doesn't matter which one, I'll take these ones. Let's plug it in. So I'm going to substitute 3601 equals 0.55 times my 820 plus b. And you know what? I can isolate that variable. So let's see what 55 times 820 is going to give me. That's 451. So 360 or 3601 is going to equal 451 plus b. Let's take away 451 from each side of our equation, and we are going to get 3150 equals b. So now I can say 3150 is going to be my y-intercept. That's the base salary. So my answer is C.